Hey guys, the step we're going to be learning today is called push the ceiling. It's named so because that's what we're doing in the step. You're going to be going up and up. So let's learn it. We start with our legs in a neutral position. Again, to start off the step, you start with jazz hands, tight hands with your fingers spread out. You bring your hands up to your shoulders, bend slightly and go up to a side. You look up, you go up, come back center. Then again you push up and you come back to the center. That's the step, guys. It's very easy. You can be creative. You can go to the side and in, side and in. You can go ahead and in, up to you. A few steps to make this step look good are: 1, you bend your knees slightly as you go. You come back down, you bend your knees, you go up, make them straight, elbows straight and a smile on your face. So guys, let's try it on music. Make sure we go side to side. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.